يطبطب ودلع يا يقول انا اتغيرت عليه انا ازعل اولع ما هو كل همه ازاي يرضيه يطبطب ودلع يا يقول انا اتغيرت عليه انا ازعل اولع ما هو كل همه ازاي يرضيه قولوا له ده انا برضه ساعات بحالات مرة زعل مرة اديله عيني مين فينا على حاله كل الأوقات ده تعبني قوي طلع عيني قولوا له ده أنا برضه ساعات بحالات مرة زعل مرة.
A very good evening to all of you. I have just arrived at the city of Riyadh, which is the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and right now it's about 7 p.m. I am going to try the very first restaurant for tonight, which is Alnaqaa Falafel and Hummus. It offers some of the best Arabian local cuisine that are very popular among the locals, so let's go. So after 10 minutes of wait, the restaurant finally opens up. First I'm going to try is called Hummus and then followed by Falafels. Let's go. Sorry, it is way too much. I did not expect to have this much of food. It was suggested by my new friend named Abdullah Hamad. He was so nice and generous. He actually paid for my food, which I have no idea how much it cost, but I'm going to give it a try. And it's actually quite a lot for me, but I'm going to give it a go anyway. So I was told that the hummus, which is this one, it's supposed to be poured with olive oil, which is this one over here. This is the one. So I just need to pour right on top of the hummus. Okay, so he's going to show me to pour the olive oil. Nice, okay. As well as the matabal. Thank you so much. So he just had me pour in an olive oil to both the hummus and the matabal. Okay, the first thing I am going to try the falafel. There are two types of falafel. The small one lean more towards to the original taste of the falafel, and it has no fillings inside it. And as for the big one, we've covered with sesame seeds. That one has the fillings. If I'm not wrong, I think it's a chickpeas. So I'm going to give it a try and we see how it goes. The first falafel. So I'm going to break it into half. And I was told that I have to dip it to the hummus. But before I dip with anything, I'm just going to have just the falafel alone. Yeah, it's quite crunchy from the outside, but it's fluffy from the inside. And it's not bad. Now I'm going to dip this with the hummus. Much better. Tastes much better with the hummus. Okay, next I'm going to dip the falafel together with the matabal. So what is a matabal? Is basically is made up of roasted eggplant that are mixed with tahini, lemon juice and olive oil. It's a little bit similar to hummus, but this one consisting of roasted eggplant. Okay, there we go. I think this one has a more creamier and buttery texture as compared to hummus. I think this one. Whoa, there's more. What is this? Oh, tahini. Tahini. Okay. So guys, I got two more. Wow, this is a lot. It looks like a brown sauce, but it looks quite similar to hummus. But anyway, I'm gonna try this. This is called tahini. Looks quite similar, but I think it's more watery in terms of texture. So we'll see how it goes. Okay. Oh, this one looks so much starchier as compared to the hummus. Let's give it a go. I think texture wise it's a bit watery, but it's much more sweeter as compared to the hummus that I have. But I like this, I prefer this a lot. It's much more sweeter compared to the hummus. Yeah, I like this. Okay, now yeah, yeah, I am. Hold on. This is my card. Oh, okay. Okay. This is tahini, right? This is tahini, right? I was because he don't speak English, so I don't understand. What's the difference between this one and this one?
Yeah, this is mixed hummus and full. This is musabbah.
So this is traditional hummus, and this is mixed hummus, and mixed with what? Oh, full?
Yeah, this one is full.
Full. And this okay. Thank you. All right. I was told that the hummus has two types. So one is mixed together with full, and then this one is a local traditional hummus. So let's give it a go. I'm going to try the mixed hummus. It's been mixed with full. So I'm going to focus more on the center part. Okay. Okay, now is mixed hummus. I have no idea what is inside the full, but it is something different for me. So yeah, it's not bad. I prefer the traditional local hummus more as compared to this one. I think this is okay, but this one is much better, the traditional one. Okay, now I'm going to try together with the bread and we see how it goes. So big. So big. Okay, this is so huge, guys. This is the pita bread. So normally you eat this together with the hummus. So you take a small piece of bread, then you dip it with any sauces you want. So falafel is done. So just gonna break this guy over. So first thing first, I'm gonna try it with the hummus. Okay, here we go. This is much better. Okay, so I feel that eating the bread together with the hummus tastes much better as compared to the falafel that I had. I think this is just my taste bud, but yeah, it's good. Fantastic. So I have just arrived at the Red Sand Dunes, a visit at campsite of where the camel is. I'm going to visit the camel first and we see how it goes. Hi my friend. Hi. Okay, thank you my friend. Okay guys, so I'm finally on the camel and whoa, okay. Alright. It's quite wobbly. Oh my god. Okay, we are still 5 minutes past of riding the camel. And to be honest, I think this is quite a scary ride for me. Even though it is slow, but it's a good experience after all. I think I'm getting the hang of it. I'm just worried that I might fall because the camel is walking wobbly. Thank you. Okay guys, so we are about to ride an ATV and thanks to you guys, I got a cheap ride, 30 riyal for 30 minutes, so it's very good. And now I'm going to ride over the sand dunes over there. I'll see you guys in a minute. So we are going over there. Let's go, man. This is good, awesome. I have finally arrived here, the Red Sand Dunes of Saudi Arabia. The magnificent view, I love it. Now I'm going to do a short drone footage around this area. So let's go.
يا ابن
Okay, so I'm going to try a thing called Hanif, which is a rice dish with meat and also some mixed liver. And the restaurant is just right behind me. But unfortunately, they are praying right now, so it is closed at the moment. So we have to wait like maybe about 10 minutes, and then they will come back and open back the restaurant. Wow, this is nice. Thank you so much, sir. I'm inside the restaurant called Sudah restaurant. This is very nice. Thank you. Okay. This is the very traditional way of having your dinner or lunch on a Arabic style. So I can't wait to give it a try. So basically, they will give you like a private room, and this is how it looks like. I think this is the big one. There's a smaller one that looks like this. Nice. Okay, so I was given the permission to enter inside their kitchen, which is the traditional way of cooking the hanif. Let's go. Okay, so you are the manager of this restaurant.
Yes, welcome.
Thank you. Thank you.
And this hanif, only lamb.
Only lamb.
And this meat inside pork. Oh, that's meat. But this inside pork with mark.
The tea tradition of hanif start somewhere in the wee hours in the morning. So this is the exact place where they cook the hanif.
This only uncooked.
Oh, okay. Okay, guys. So this is how sort of looks like. Yeah, almost. Very tiny smell. Oh, very hot.
Yes, very hot. That's white rice.
This is basmati, right?
Yes, basmati, yes.
The only way to go in the kitchen, to enter from the outside, exit out of the restaurant, just to go inside the kitchen.
12 o'clock. 12 o'clock AM.
Oh, so there's good business.
Yes, alhamdulillah. Thank you. Welcome.
Thank you, sir. Okay, I'm going in, guys. This is actually quite comfortable to chill and relax and have a good meal. And you can even lie back while waiting for your orders. So I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, so my order is here, guys. And this is this hanif?
Yes,
Okay. And then I think this is a soup. What is this, my friend?
tahina and
Oh, tahini.
Yeah.
Tahini, okay.
tomato with filfil.
Tomato sauce?
Yes.
Okay, nice. Okay, thank you so much, my friend. Thank you. Okay, let's remove this guy up. Oh, that's huge. And then there's a huge chili right here, man. Oh my, this looks delicious already. Right. And I just love the idea of them putting the raisins because it just make the rice much more fragrance and it smell even nicer. And I believe this one will taste even nicer than the smell itself. Okay, so before trying any of these sauces, I'm going to take a small piece from this little guy right here. Oh, this is super tender, very soft. Oh yeah, it's very tender, very juicy. Well, I noticed that it has a strong smokiness smell coming out from those leaves, and also especially the meat. I think the raisins make it even much better to produce a distinct fragrance onto the meat dishes. So I'm dipping it with the tahini sauce. A little salty if you dip the meat into the tahini sauce, but it enhances the taste of the meat. Next up, I'm going to dip it with the tomato sauce. Oh yeah, good. Okay, now I'm going to eat together with the chili. So I'm going to mix all of them together. The chili, the meat, and then onion. Then I'll put right on top of it, and then I dip it with tahini, and we see how it goes. Oh, it's a nice balance of taste between the saltiness and the fragrance, and as well as the sweetness. It's very well balanced. Maybe it's better to eat it this way. So I ordered another set of meal, which is the chicken version of Hanif, because I cannot eat too much of rice. And what I need to do is that I just remove the chicken onto the rice of Hanif that I eaten early on, and then I'm just gonna mix them together. Let's go. So I'm gonna take this the piece side of drumstick over here. So I'm just gonna eat a small chunk of chicken meat. This is just the roasted chicken. I'm just gonna eat the meat alone before I dip it with any sort of condiment dishes. Very tender, very fresh. Okay, this time is roasted chicken with a dip of tahini sauce. It's alright, but I think a little bit too salty. Yeah. So next time I am going to take a small chunk of chicken meat and dip it with the tomato sauce. Oh, I prefer dipping the chicken meat with a tomato sauce because it produces a much more taste, more sweetness in it. And yeah, it's nice, delicious. Okay, so I have just arrived at Al Nassr football stadium. The name of the stadium is called Awal Park. Obviously, there is a lot of Ronaldo fans, especially myself. And along the way, along this path, you can see so many of them are selling. You can see so many of them selling the merchandise, especially Ronaldo merchandise. So you can see all of it. I just bought two for myself, bought 2 and 1. I think it costs about 50 riyal. So it's damn worth it. You must buy when you come here. Right now I'm on the way to the stadium. I see you guys inside. Hey guys, right now I'm inside the stadium. I'm going towards my gate. Get ready to watch Ronaldo. That's 5 more minutes. Oh. Yeah, got it. Thank you. Ronaldo! Oh, nice. Sadio Mane. So it's a 1-1 draw between Al Nassr versus Persepolis because we were 1 man down. We got red card in the first half, so it's a draw. Good play.